Saturday start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I cordially welcome this bill. We cannot do too much for our children, nor can the importance of looking after neglected and delinquent children be exaggerated. It is but right that the central government should set up a model law and also try to operate that law in a manner which can be imitated by all the states. Therefore, whatever observations any one of us may have to make can only be with a view to improving the bill and making its provisions effective. Sir, under the bill, two kinds of institutions are to be set up: children's homes for the neglected children and special schools for the delinquent children. Throughout the bill, these two institutions are kept entirely separate. I do not see why there should not be an exchange between these two institutions in suitable cases. There may be delinquent children whose delinquency could be easily removed and whose retention in the special school may not be advantageous. While it may not be possible to restore the child to a parent or guardian, it should be possible to put it in a children's home. Similarly, some children in the children's home may prove nuisance and danger to the other children, and it may be worthwhile to remove those children to the special schools. I do not see any provision where the administrator or competent authority can make this exchange. I think at least it should be provided in the rules. There is a provision about religious denomination in special schools, but I do not see why a similar provision has not been inserted so far as the children's homes are concerned. The same thing must apply to the children's homes also. In fact, it should be made applicable to them to a great extent. I believe that so far as the children's homes are concerned, it is not so wise for the state to have its own homes, but they should encourage charitable institutions like the Ramakrishna Mission to start homes under their assistance, because if the state directly undertakes this task, it must have a sufficient number of institutions and sufficient resources at its disposal to do the work thoroughly throughout the state. I do not know if any authority will get the financial resources to apply this bill immediately. Therefore, that territorial authority will have to do the work bit by bit.